Hi, this is Pam Schmidt, Simply Pure. Hey, have you ever wondered what it would take to get started with representing and being a consultant for Norwex? Well, today I'll tell you what it takes. I've had some people ask me, what does it take? Does it take a lot of money to get started with Norwex? The answer is no. It's pretty easy. What you have to do is you just talk with me. I'll sign you up. You pay $9.99 for shipping for the starter kit. And in that starter kit, you get more than $200 worth of products. Probably the things you most want. Those wish list items? Yes. So once you sign up for that, you have 90 days to make $2,000 in sales. Now that sounds scary, but honestly, if you share this with some friends, if you have one of your own hosted parties, it's called a launch party, and invite your friends and just talk about it and share and let them play with the Norwex products, you're probably going to get about $1,000 in sales. Pretty good. What I didn't tell you was that starter kit that you only paid for shipping, that's $240 worth of products. That counts toward your $2,000. So now you're probably about $1,200, $1,250 toward your $2,000 goal. And you have 90 days to do this. So get some friends to host a couple more parties. It really happens pretty easily. I did it. I think you could too. And if you don't make it and you don't get the $2,000 sold in 90 days, you know what happens? You pay for the starter kit. You get $250 worth of stuff. I almost forgot to tell you, consultants get a 35% discount. Retail is $100, you pay $65. When your customers pay the full price, you are making the earning off of that 35%. It's a great way to earn income and to add to your product. So I went into it just thinking I was going to get my starter kit paid for. Really, I didn't intend to keep going. But I kind of fell in love with Norwex and I kind of wanted to share it with other people. So it's something you could consider. It's a great way to earn some extra income or just earn and add to your products that you have at home. I would love to help you. So please contact me and we can do this. It's really pretty easy. This is Pam Schmidt. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later.